When nature speaks, what does it say? From the vibrant colors that paints the flowers, to the sound of the wind brushing through the leaves, chirping birds and buzzing insects, to the soft steps of small animals that can bring us into an exciting sense of wonder. Each uniquely created, each with a purpose that shows us the brilliance of our Creator. In every pattern, in every shade of color is an art that needs to be recognized and appreciated. Can we then take some time off in our busy schedule? Take a look at the blue sky, ponder upon the tall trees, feel the cold water running in the streams, fill your lungs with fresh air. This is the nature that God made for us, and it speaks volumes of His wondrous love. Bring yourself out in the wild today. Step into God's natural encyclopedia and learn more about Him. May nature bless us tremendously today, and may we enjoy it. God bless.